How to request recommendations on LinkedIn. First of all, log into your account and go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me tab, then select View Profile. Next, scroll down to the recommendation section. If you don't see it immediately, click on Add Profile section, then expand the recommended option to find Add Recommendation. After that, click on Ask for a recommendation. Now choose the connection you want to request a recommendation from. Make sure to select someone who knows your work well, such as a manager, colleague, client, mentor, or teammate. Then select your relationship, how you know them, and the position you held while working with them. This helps LinkedIn personalize your recommendation request. Next, write a polite and clear message explaining why you are requesting the recommendation. You can also guide them by reminding them of the projects you worked on together or a specific strength you would like to highlight. A personalized message increases the chances of receiving a high quality recommendation. Once done, click Send. After sending the request, wait for the person to write the recommendation. Once the recommendation is written, LinkedIn will notify you. Review it and then accept and add it to your profile. Now you know how to request recommendations on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.